So good day everybody. Today we're unboxing the 361 Fierce 4.0 or Red Flame. I think Red Flame or Fierce 4.0. I forgot. So I ordered it in Shopee for I think it's 2,800 or less. So this is the all black version. Triple black version. The 361 Fierce 4.0. So it has the, how do you read it? Quick technology. So when you press it, it's very soft, very cushiony. Look at this, look at this. Yes, one, yes. So yeah, these are the features that I usually find in a running shoe. So the logo 361 here, so good for running and casual wear. Another one, yeah. So 361 has the soft cushion technology called Quick. I also have X-Step. They have the X-Step Ace, and yeah, I have Nike, the Adidas Zero Speed, X-Step, one piece, and 2K kilometer speed. So yeah, it's very cushiony. I will show you the video on feet. So far, the outsole very good traction. So they put the thicker outsole on the area that usually runs off first, usually hit when you jog. So yeah, ganda, galing paggawa, sobrang lambot, very soft and cushiony talaga, bouncy pa. Tingnan nyo, at ang gaan, para lang akong para lang akong nakahawak ng tsinelas. It's just like I'm just holding a slippers. It's very light. Yeah, you can see the back. It's like tied. Yeah. Sensya na kayo sa English ko. Hindi ako ganun galing. So far, yeah, ganda. Goodbye. It's a goodbye sa Shopee. Ganda ng pagkabili, sulit sa presyo niya, ganda. Pwede to pang trabaho ko, pang jogging, all around, ganda. Bagay din to sa mga overweight kagaya ko. Minsan pag overweight ka, kailangan mo ng medyo cushiony na sapatos tulad nito. Lambot hindi mo to basta-basta makikita sa ibang running shoe. Dalawa kasi yung midsole niya. Ito yung quick cushion technology, yung sa gitna. Ito yung parang ordinaryo na TPU, pero lambot pa rin, lambot din eh. Ganda pagkagawa. Kudos to you, 361. This video is not sponsored, so yeah. Ganda. Ting ning.